Did you know the VW Super Beetle was one of the most customized and modified cars of its era? From desert-ready Baja builds to slammed street machines. This quirky little icon has been reimagined countless times by car enthusiasts around the world. Welcome to Auto Craze, your go-to place for everything automotive, from iconic classics to wild custom builds. Today, we're diving into one of the most unique and versatile cars ever made, the VW Super Beetle. The Super Beetle, introduced in the early 1970s, wasn't just another version of the classic Beetle. It was a significant upgrade. Designed to meet growing demands for comfort and handling, it came with a completely redesigned McPherson strut front suspension, offering better ride quality and improved steering. The trunk was larger, the windshield was curved, and the interior saw several refinements. Despite these upgrades, it managed to retain the timeless Beetle silhouette, earning a place in both history books and garages everywhere. However, the Super Beetle didn't win everyone over immediately. Many die-hard fans of the original Beetle felt it had lost some of its charm. Critics pointed out that while the ride had improved, the performance was still lacking compared to newer cars of the same era. And with the rise of more advanced compact cars in the 70s and 80s, the Super Beetle struggled to maintain its relevance in a rapidly evolving market. But that didn't stop it from becoming a cult classic. In fact, these very challenges sparked a wave of creativity in the car community. The Super Beetle became a blank canvas. Builders began reimagining it in bold, unexpected ways. Some turned them into aggressive off-roaders with roll cages, lifted suspensions, and knobby tires. Others dropped them to the ground, added wide fenders, custom interiors, and performance engines. It became a car that could be anything you wanted it to be. And then there's that one Super Beetle that truly redefines what a Beetle can be. Fully restored and custom-built from the ground up. It features a turbocharged engine, air suspension, custom bodywork, LED lighting, and a leather-wrapped interior that wouldn't look out of place in a modern luxury car. It's not just breathtaking, a flawless fusion of vintage character and modern craftsmanship that captures the imagination. The Super Beetle's journey from modest evolution to modification. Legend shows how a car can become so much more than transportation. It's a symbol of passion, creativity, and timeless appeal. Whether you're a fan of its classic charm or a lover of radical builds, the Super Beetle has something for everyone. Got a favorite Super Beetle build or memory? Share it in the comments. We'd love to hear your stories. And if you're into classic rides, mods, and automotive history, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching Auto Craze Wheel. See you in the next one.